I've been making money online full-time since 2017. And when I first started this journey, I was completely broke and not in a very good place. I was very stressed and I really didn't know which way to turn. But I'd seen over time that a lot of people were making a lot of money doing this whole make money online thing. So I decided to give it a go and, take a leap of faith and do it full time. And it was a bit hairy to begin with, but eventually I got there. And then I started having some incredible results. My first $1,000 day was just amazing. I'll never forget that day. It made my hair stand on end and it brought a tear to my eye, more than one tear, to be honest with you, because it was such a relief, because I'd come from such a horrible place, a hole that I was trying to scramble out of. And it was at that point that I realized that not only was it important for me to recover my situation and support my family, but I wanted to make sure that I helped as many other people as possible to do the same, because I know what it feels like, to be in that situation where you don't have enough money to cover the bills and you're stressed and you just don't know what to do and you lose hope and you struggle to have any peace of mind. So I've spent the last decade teaching people how to make money online. And then in December, I started to build a Skool community. The Skool community was launched on Christmas Eve and it was an incredible success. And I'm now fast approaching 1,000 members. Now, to begin with, the idea was that I would teach people how to take something that they're passionate about that wasn't necessarily in the make money online niche, and teach people that thing that they're knowledgeable about and passionate about in order to make a recurring income using the Skool platform. And that's what I've been doing. But I recently decided that I could make this so much more exciting and so much more effective for you guys by introducing a second track into this community. And that is the make money online niche. So then what I told the community was, look, I can either create a separate community for the make money online niche, or I can include that here at no extra cost. What would you like me to do? And 99% of people said, wow, if you could include the make money online niche in here as well, that would be incredible. And a lot of people were saying that's why they're here anyway. I'm here, Trev, because that's what you do. And I want to learn from you. So it didn't take a lot of thinking about, and that's what I've decided to do. And already the live calls that I host are teaching people how to make money online. And we've had a couple of really amazing calls, and I literally show you what you need to do to get started in the make money online niche. Now, what I encourage people to do in the community is still follow that idea of building the Skool community, which can either be in the make money online niche or in any niche that you're excited about that's monetizable, or that you've got knowledge about and can teach people, something that you're passionate about. I think that it's important that you follow both paths, because I know from experience now that the Skool community brings in a solid recurring income. So that's why I'm going to teach you to do that. I also know that the make money online niche brings in a solid income. So that's why I'm going to teach you to do that as well. I think those two together, paired together at the same cost, no extra cost, is an incredible opportunity for you. Now, one of my students, Lucas, actually on a live call said, I shouldn't say this, but he was like, thank you so much. The price that you're charging is so cheap for us to get access to you. And he was saying that in the past, my products he couldn't afford, they were, $1,000 or more. And even then he didn't get access to me. But now he does at this price and he can't believe it. And that's lovely. That's lovely for me to hear, because that means I can help people like Lucas, I can help people like you to really get results at an affordable price. And that's important. It's important to me.
Yeah, and once again, thank you, Trevor, for such a amazing, I shouldn't say that, but for such a low payment, we have access to you, which is completely, guys, I've been following this man for so many years, and it was impossible to get him. Even it was so difficult with a paid products, because most of the paid products from him, they were $1,000. Even there, you couldn't get access to him.
Yeah.
What's happening now is Yeah, thank you, Trevor, once again, man.
Now, at the moment, the price is still just $27 per month, which is extremely cheap, but I want to help as many people as I can. This is the founder members price, and it's going to be capped at the first 100 upgraded premium members. Now, you can join Victorable for free anyway, so if you've not already done that, then there's no catch. You literally come in, you join for free, you get access to the community, so you've got the community feed where you can talk to other members in there, and you can get direct access to me, and you've got the first phase 1 section completely free and included in that. But if you want to get live access to me, and if you want to experience all the golden juicy nuggets that I'm giving away on the live calls, then you need to upgrade to premium. Plus, then you get access to the classroom, the premium level of the classroom, where there's a whole raft of training that is going to coach you on creating your own school community and becoming a make money online expert, somebody who can actually generate real money online. Now, you've probably seen my figures, you've probably seen my stats, and you know that I'm not bullshitting you. I do make a lot of money, and I love teaching people how I do that. It really is. And I love seeing people achieve the results. You know, I've got students that have gone on to become incredible vendors, multiple launches, doing thousands of sales. And like that for me is just so rewarding. And I'd like you to be one of those. So look, I would say to you, if you are serious about making money online, you can lock in this price, the discounted price of $27. And when you do, that's it. It won't ever go up for you. So when I put the price up, as I will be doing, and that's going to continue to go up, you won't pay any more. You'll be locked in, but you're going to have to get in soon because those spaces are going. So if you'd like to work closely with somebody who is in the trenches doing this on a daily basis, that's me, by the way, right? Who actually cares about you and actually wants to help you make money and won't give you any bullshit or any old fanny, then you need to come and either, if you've already joined Victorable, you need to upgrade. The live calls are every Tuesday, and you can ask questions before the live call. And if you can't make the live call, I'll answer the questions on the call, and then you get the replays. Now, as soon as you upgrade to premium, you'll get access to all of the replays that have taken place so far. There is a ton of knowledge in there. The feedback that I've been getting from the members has been incredible, which again is lovely, but it means that there's a lot of value for you ready and waiting inside the call replays area. But one of the other things as well is that you can earn affiliate commissions from Victorable. Now, you can come in and you can start promoting Victorable, and you'll earn 40% recurring commissions for life on that member. And it's a really easy sell because it's free to join. So you can actually say to them, look, you know, let me give you free access to this community. And then if they decide to upgrade, you will get locked in those commissions for life, 40%. So what that in effect means is that if you refer just 3 people, you've got your monthly cost covered and you're in profit. So it costs you nothing to be mentored and coached by me, directly by me, right? Nothing. And you'll be making money from it. And obviously, if you refer more people, you'll be making more money. I also wanted to say that there's an annual option. So you can upgrade to premium and you can save a further 30%, which means that your monthly cost will be just $18 per month. You know, in my opinion, this is incredible value. I'm going to be keeping you up to date with what's working in this industry. And obviously, this is a very challenging time at the moment. There's a lot going on in the world that's affecting a lot for a lot of people. It's affecting how much it costs us just to survive. So wouldn't it be nice if you could make just a little bit more money? What if you could make an extra, I don't know, $10, $20, $30, $40, $50 per day? What if you could make an extra $100 per day? Or what if you could get to the goal that is my goal for you, and that's an extra $300 per day? Would that change your life? And what if you did that by doing something that is fun and easy, and you're your own boss? You do what you want, when you want, where you want, how you want. This is life-changing, guys. And it's life-changing for such a small amount of money. In fact, from just $18 per month. So if you'd really like to know the secrets to making money online, talk to you by somebody who cares and won't give you any old fanny. If you're already a member, you can upgrade by going to the classroom and clicking on any of the courses that you don't have access to, and then it will prompt you to upgrade to premium. And then once you do, everything will be unlocked for the premium level. If you're not a member, just go ahead, click on join the group, and then upgrade to premium the same way. I'm really looking forward to helping you guys. Honestly, nothing gives me more joy than to see my students get success, and we are seeing a lot of success. So now is the time. There's never been a better time in the world than now to start taking care of your finances and making sure that you are secure for the future. So go ahead, click on the button below this video, go through to the community. If you haven't joined, click on join group. If you have joined, go through to the classroom, click on phase 2, for example, which is premium, and it will prompt you to upgrade. Okay, do that now, and I will literally see you on the inside. You take care.